Hi friends, welcome to this channel. Autodesk has officially launched the latest AutoCAD 2025 version. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to download and install it quickly and easily. Let's get started. Before we start, please subscribe this channel and I really love your like, so please like this video. Open your browser and type Autodesk and open the first website. If already have a student account, simply sign in using your credentials. Don't have an account? No problem. Just click on Create Account, fill in your name, email ID, and set a strong password. Accept the terms, hit Create Account, and you're good to go. Once done, scroll down and click on Get Started under AutoCAD, creating a student account. Next, you'll need to fill in a few details. Select your educational role, country, and type of institute. Then, enter your institution's name, date of birth, enrollment date, and graduation date. After that, confirm your details and upload a valid document like your college ID card. Once uploaded, hit Submit and close the window. Installing AutoCAD 2025. Now, click on Get Product under AutoCAD to access the 2025 version. Hit the Install button and accept the terms. An executable file.exe will start downloading. Once it's ready, double-click the file, choose the installation path, and press Install. Sit back and wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, click on Start. Sign in with your Autodesk ID using your login credentials. Then click on Go to Product, and there you have it. AutoCAD 2025 is ready to use. You can click on New to start exploring all its features. And that's it for this tutorial. Enjoy working on AutoCAD 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay healthy, stay safe, and see you in the next video. Bye.